Hey there, it's Nate from Darling New Media. Thanks for checking out the video. Our next Podcasting 101 workshop is coming up on Wednesday, March 11th from 6 to 9 p.m. right here at Darling New Media. What is Podcasting 101? It's a 3-hour workshop that takes you through every step of the way from creating to producing your very own podcast. You come in with an idea, we help you develop it, and by the end of the workshop, you leave with a 5-minute version of your very own podcast that you produced and recorded. You can get your tickets right now at Eventbrite. The link is on darlingnewmedia.com. If you like our Facebook page, we have an event for that very workshop, so you can hit that and get your tickets right through there. The next Podcasting 101 workshop, March 11th from 6 to 9 p.m. right here at Darling New Media. Get those tickets now. We hope to see you there. You can keep up to date by following us on Instagram, liking our Facebook page, or just keep checking back at darlingnewmedia.com. Remember, you can have your own podcast, and we can help.